Sony offering full Atmos support along with Dts Ex Support as well. This will give us phenomenal top-feeling speaker capability without the necessity of hot-firing channels. We're doing this simply with 3.1 channels of sound. This will give our customers the best audio object-based enjoyment from any angle in their room and literally any room of their home. What we're going to showcase here also is our brand new 4K Blu-ray player, the UBX 700, which is the first Blu-ray player in our line to offer Dolby Vision support. The Z9F soundbar also offers Dolby Vision pass-through that offers the complete home entertainment solution. I'll cue this up for your listening enjoyment.
Activate taser whip!
We got it.
We will also be having wireless rear speaker option available for this and launch in the spring that can be added to the system to give you a complete 5.1 channel system with Atmos support.
Thank you all for stopping in.
Activate taser whip!
You're messing with things you don't understand.